Hey everyone, my name is Matt. Welcome to my shop. Today is January 5th, and this is my weekly shop update. So I hope everyone had an opportunity to take some time off, spend some time with some family, and just overall had a good break. I was able to get a few days of work in between Christmas and New Year's, and then for New Year's weekend, we spent the weekend at my parents'. My sister hosted a second Christmas since we weren't all together on actual Christmas, and we were able to get a nice family picture, although I think anyone with small children understands this. It's very hard to get small children to pay attention and be into taking a picture. So JR wasn't really thrilled with the whole picture taking thing, but we have a memory of JR not being happy about taking pictures, and that's a good enough memory for me. So I hope everyone had a fantastic New Year's. Hope your year is off to a great start. It has been quite good here for me so far, I guess, as I'm trying to catch up and move forward here. You can see I finally have the tool cabinet behind me. The doors are closed. That's because it is pretty much empty. So one of the things I'm working on a lot is the new hand tool cabinet. So that's over in the guild again. And the first videos in that series are going to really cover the whole strategy of the tool layout and really kind of diving into the whole design of a new tool cabinet. So I filmed those the week between Christmas and New Year's, and this week I started on the lumber, or breaking down the lumber. So I broke down those two 11-foot elm boards I had shown previously. That was really nice to get those broken down because an 11-foot board in this shop is pretty unwieldy. So this is going to make up the main body or the case of the cabinet, as well as two sets of doors. So I'm doing a double door layout, which will give me 6 surfaces to put stuff on because I'm not going to put anything on the front of the front doors. So it's going to give me a lot more real estate for all of my tools, and they're all sitting over here on this little table thing over here, so that they're kind of out of the way. So to give you an idea of how this is going to look, and also this elm is just beautiful. I really like the color on this stuff. This kind of light brown is quite nice. Anyway, so this was one board before. So looking at the case side right now, the right side. So this was one wide board here. And because I had a book matched board, the outside door has a book matched figure. So we have some grain continuity across the side of the cabinet. So we have the grain flowing from the case to the first door, and then the outer door is book matched to the inner door. And I think it's going to look really nice hanging on the wall. This elm is just absolutely gorgeous. And just so you know, the hand tool cabinet is in pre-order right now. It's only going to be there for another couple of days. It's coming out of the pre-order package on Monday, and then it'll be full price, and you'll be able to bundle it with anything and stack discounts to get more than one project at a reduced rate. So if you ever plan to buy the hand tool cabinet project in the guild, like the next couple of days is the best time to buy it. Just a heads up on that. So I think that's about all I've been up to this week. Let's take a look at some viewer projects. First this week are a pair of Drunken cutting boards by Alex. Alex showed his wife Peter Brown's video on making his Drunken cutting boards, and she said she would like one, so Alex made one for her. The boards are made from maple and walnut, and because the process makes 2 boards, he gave one away. Next this week is a card box by Joe. His brother asked him to make a card box for his wedding, and this was Joe's first box. It's made from character-filled quarter-sawn white oak from his local Habitat Restore. It features box joints for the joinery, and you can find Joe over on Instagram. Next is a wooden boat by Nicklas. This is the second boat he made, and he made it over about 7 months. The rope is handmade by him, as well as a sail, and the sail took a week to sew. It's built using very old traditional Scandinavian techniques, so it's not built on frames, but with stakes pushing out the planking from the roof, and then finding the different angles using a plumb bob on a piece of wood. Last this week is a sliding barn door with a modern twist by Bruce. This is a really simple design, but has a different look than a lot of barn doors out there. It has a modern twist, but won't break the bank. Bruce has a step-by-step video over on his YouTube channel that you can check out, and I'll leave you a link to that. Bruce makes some great videos, so you definitely want to check out his channel if you haven't already. So, I don't have, let me tell you about something segment this week. Taking a bye week on that one. It'll be back next week, so don't worry. And yeah, I think that's about all I have for this week. Hopefully your year is off to a great start. I have a lot of things coming up here, which is good, I guess. So thank you as always for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments about anything I talked about today or anything here in my shop, please feel free to leave me a comment, as well as I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. How fast can I say that? And until next time, happy woodworking.